teacher Joanna from the NTV. So before we going to tackle our topic, we have a classroom rules. So our classroom rules is raise your hand. So raise your hand before you talk and then stay on task. Stay on task for you to focus our discussion and listen very carefully. And the third one, respect yourself. So respect yourself, you must recognize your own worth, set healthy boundaries, and align your action with your values. And then always be a friend. So as a student involves offering support, kindness, and respect to peers, and then show respect to others. So show respect to others, treat them with kindness, and be considerate of their feelings, opinions, and personal spaces. And then the sixth one is think before you act. Think before you act to pause and consider the potential consequences you words or action before you do them to avoid regret and negative outcomes. And lastly, always use kind words. So always use kind words. Say please, thank you, and sorry. So that's our classroom rules. So from now, we're going to tackle our discussion. So now, I will show you the picture. So what did you say on the picture? Okay, so plants, great. It's a plant. So now I will divide you into a small group. So this group is group 1 and this group is group 2. And then you will discuss and examine the different parts of the plant. And I will give you a 15 minutes. So are you done? Thank you so much, class. So from now, I will discuss and explain the main function of root, stem, fruit, flower, and leaf. So this is the part of plant and their function. So first is plant root and tree root. So a plant root and tree root is an anchor the plant in the soil and absorb water and minerals from the ground. So roots hold the plant in the soil. They act like straw. They absorb water and nutrients from the soil. And then so the second one is plant stem. So plant stem is a support the plant and transport water and nutrients between the roots, leaves, and flowers. So the stem supports the plant so it can get lots of light. It carries water and nutrients from the roots to the different parts of the plants. So now let's proceed the leaves. The leaves capture sunlight to produce food for the plant through a process called photosynthesis. So a leaves is a capture sunlight to make food for the plant. This process is called photosynthesis. And lastly is productive part of the plant that is responsible for creating seeds. So flowers they are the reproductive part of the most plants. It is in the flower that seeds start to grow their petals and colorful to attract insects. And last is seeds. So seeds are the part of the plant also that make new plants. So that's it. So before we end our topic, so I have a question. So I will pick one of you and you can answer my question. Yes, Kusha? Okay, my question is, how will you can take care of a plant? Okay, great. Very good. So thank you for sharing, Krisha. So now we have a short quiz. So this is 1 to 5. It is a 5 minutes only. So the first question is, our first question is, what do the roots of the plant do? Answer it A and B. So A, make food for the plant. B, take up water, help the plant keeps steady in the soil. So are you done? Okay. Question number 2. For question number 2, what does the stem of a plant do? A, anchor the plant into the soil. B, carries water around the plant and helps keep the plant upright. Done? Okay, let's proceed for question 3. What do the leaves of a plant do? A, take in light and help make food for the plant. B. Help support the plant. So are you done? Okay, great. So question number 4. What three things does a plant need to grow? A. Food, friends, and orange juice. B. Water, light, and warmth. For number 5 is a bonus. So, okay, number 1. The answer of number 1 is letter B. So, what is the question is? So, the question is, what do the roots of the plant do? So, the answer is B. Take up water and help the plant keep steady in the soil. And the question number 2 is, what does the stem of the plant do? So what is the answer? So the answer is B. So B carries waters around the plant and helps keep the plant upright. So now let's proceed for question number 3. So the question number 3 is what? Okay, what do the leaves of a plant do? So, what is the answer? Okay, the answer is letter B. Help support the plant. So, let's proceed for the number 4. Number 4, what three things does a plant need to grow? So, what is the answer? Okay, letter B. Water, light, and warmth. And then last is bonus. Number 5. And then pass it forward. Okay, thank you. So before we go home, we have our wrap-up activity class. So did you know a song of what plants need? Okay, no one knows. So now, teacher Joanna can song first and you repeat after me. So our song is what plants need. So now you will listen to me. So first is what plants need. So I need sunshine, I need water, I need sun and some air. Make me warm and cozy. I start growing, watch me bloom right from there. So let's sing everyone. So I need sunshine, I need water, I need sun and some air. Make me warm and cozy, then I start growing, watch me bloom right from there.